We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again. Pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright.
You like it? It's cold, but it's awesome, huh? I think that's the limit of it. Oh no, there's going to be a few more. There's going to be some from the Emporium. The view is pretty awesome.
The challenge is like, where do you want to park?
It's alright. It's alright. It's alright.
So we're at the top of a building in South Bank. Thank you, Pavo. Thank you, Pavo, for letting us be up here. We came here on the motorbike to see the laser show, because obviously this year due to COVID we're not allowed to have the Brisbane River Fire. Boo! Thank you, Victoria. So yeah, so we're having a look at the laser show, and so instead of obviously the fireworks and the fighter jets flying around, we're having these amazing lasers going off. Subscribe, like and share. This is as fun as it's gonna get, I think. Unless they're gonna start doing laser fights or something. Huh? What's going on?
Oh no, we're trying to... I can't do this.
What about the TikTok dance? Right. So yeah, enjoy. Oh wow, it's actually getting pretty good. So I guess this is as fun as it gets. Thank you for the beer.
No worries, cheers.
Yeah, nothing you can do. I missed the fighter jets. Huh? Why is it only 15 minutes? Because the lasers burn out.
Do they?
I don't know. I'm sure they do. They get really hot. Yep. So come to Brisbane. Check out the Brisbane Festival. Yeah. Is it cool, Lemmy?
We've heard it all before. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright, so let's move on. It's alright, so let's move on. It's alright, so let's move on. It's alright, so let's move on.
So we decided to come to Kangaroo Point to take another vantage point, and it wasn't too bad. That's pretty cool, huh? What do you reckon? A bit better than the city, huh? Wow. That's actually really good.
We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again.
Okay, now this is worth it. I think from South Bank it's not the best view, so if you want the best view in Brisbane, come to Kangaroo Point. All the colours of the rainbow. Which one's your favourite?
I don't know.
Do you have a favourite?
No.
No? Are they all good?
Yeah.
Prefer fireworks?
Yeah.
Yeah. Globemaster?
Know that we won't make it out. We've heard it